Hello everyone, this is Bhumika Patil. In second part of this chapter, we studied about market survey categorized in three parts, that is reaching the right market, getting best result and carrying out your survey. In the third part of the entrepreneurial opportunities and selection process, we are going to discuss about the getting information from concerned stakeholders such as MCED, that is Maharashtra Center for Entrepreneurship Development, NIMSME, that is National Institute for Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, PMEGP, that is Prime Minister Employment Generation Program, DI, that is Directorate of Industries, and last KVIC, that is Khadi Village Industries Commission. Maharashtra Center for Entrepreneurship Development, MCED. In all over India, there is Center for Entrepreneurship Development Institutes (CEDs) working in different states of country. These CEDs are working for entrepreneurship development in their respective states. Maharashtra Center for Entrepreneurship Development (MCED) is one of the CEDs in India working in the field of entrepreneurship development since 1988 and trained 14,50,703 participants up to 31st March 2018. Maharashtra Center for Entrepreneurship Development is an autonomous society working under Directorate of Industries, Government of Maharashtra. It is an ISO 9001-2008 certified organization. MCED has been a pioneer in espousing social and economic entrepreneurship since 1988. It is a training institute in the core area of entrepreneurship development. It works as a facilitator and guide for the creation and cultivation of the entrepreneurial spirit in the society. Development Commissioner of Industries, Government of Maharashtra is the chairman of Governing Council and Managing Director. MSSIDC is the chairman of Executive Committee of the Institute. MCED is confident enough that the people who have potential entrepreneurial competencies, if they are identified, properly trained, and provide them the suitable support during their course of implementation, a very high success rate in the form of enterprises creation is possible. The institute has established reputation for shouldering the responsibilities of conducting various assignments with different sponsors. MCED is associated with National Level Institute, that is EDI 1 Ahmedabad, NIES BUD New Delhi, NIMSME Hyderabad. National Institute Micro Small Medium Enterprise, that is NIMSME. Small and medium enterprises are the backbone of the industrial development. Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises contributes nearly 8% in GDP, 40% in manufacturing output and 45% in exports. They provide the largest share of employment after agriculture. They have emerged as a dynamic and vibrant sector of economy. They are dispersed across the country and produces a diverse range of products and services. It helps in the growth of country. They are the nursery for entrepreneurship and innovation. Emergence of MSME. It is based on Gandhi model and encouraged by MSME Act 2006. During pre-liberalization before 1991, India adopted Industrial Policy Resolution 1948 that defined the role of state in industrial development for the first time. At that time, India accorded high priority to small and medium enterprises. Despite numerous protection and policy measures, MSME has remained mostly small and technological backward. The scenario of small-scale sector changed with industrial policy establishment in 1991. Liberalization came into existence. It was the post-liberalization era, that is 1991 to 2006. This reflected the growth of SSI. In 1991, the growth rate of SSI, that is small scale industries, was almost 3 times of the total industrial sector from 1992 to 1995. However, in 1995, the growth rate was slightly lower but again it is increased in 1996. The next stakeholder of government is PMEGP, that is Prime Minister's Employment Generation Program. Government of India has approved the introduction of a new credit-linked subsidy program called Prime Minister's Employment Generation Program, that is PMEGP, by merging the two schemes that were in operation till 31st March 2008, namely Prime Minister's Rozgar Yojana (PMRY) and Rural Employment Generation Program (REGP) for generation of employment opportunities through establishment of micro enterprises in rural as well as urban areas. PMEGP will be a central sector scheme to be administered by the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, that is MoMSME. The scheme will be implemented by Khadi and Village Industries Commission (KVIC), a statutory organization under the administrative control of the Ministry of MSME as the single nodal agency at the national level. At the state level, the scheme will be implemented through the state KVIC directorates, state Khadi and Village Industry Boards (KVIBs), and district industry centers (DICs) and banks. Continuing to the Prime Minister's Employment Generation Program, the government subsidy under the scheme will be routed by KVIC through the identified banks for eventually distribution to the beneficiaries or entrepreneurs in their bank accounts. The implementing agencies, namely KVIC, KVIBs, and DICs, will associated reputed non-government organizations, NGOs, or reputed autonomous institutions, self-help groups, National Small Industries Corporation, Udyami Mitras impaneled under Rajiv Gandhi Udyami Mitra Yojana, Panchayati Raj institutions, and other relevant bodies in the implementation of the scheme, especially in the area of identification of beneficiaries of area-specific viable projects and providing training in entrepreneurship development. The next stakeholder is DI, that is Directorate of Industries. Directorate of Industries, Government of Maharashtra, is an executive arm of the Industries Department of Government of Maharashtra and is engaged in implementation of government policies for all-round development of industries in the state by seeking coordination amongst the state-level promotional corporations like MIDC, MSSIDC, KVIB, etc., and other departments of the government relating to industries. The Directorate of Industries has been established to monitor, implement, and develop various schemes, including incentive schemes for promotion of industries in Maharashtra. The Directorate of Industries implements various schemes and incentives for promotion of industries in Maharashtra. Most notable among all the schemes in package scheme of incentives 2013, the latest one announced along with the latest industrial policy 2013 of the state. The Directorate is supported by 6 regional offices, a sub-regional office at Nanded, and DICs, that is District Industry Centers, at every district. The power to implement the schemes are decentralized to maximum extent and are vested with the DIC for effective delivery mechanism at district level. Here are some objectives of DI. The Directorate of Industries implement, develop and monitor various schemes and impart incentives for promotion of industries in Maharashtra. It also assists the state government in the formulation of various industries related policies and promotional schemes, for example industrial policy, sales policy, IT policy, package schemes of incentives, etc. The last stakeholder is Khadi and Village Industries Commission. The Khadi and Village Industries Commission (KVIC) is a statutory body formed in 1957 as per a RTI by the Government of India under the Act of Parliament, Khadi and Village Industries Commission Act of 1956. It is an apex organization under the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises with regard to Khadi and Village Industries within India. which seeks to plan, promote, facilitate, organize, and assist in the establishment and development of khadi and village industries in the rural areas in coordination with other agencies engaged in rural development wherever necessary. In April 1957, it took over the work of former All India Khadi and Village Industries Board. Its head office is in Mumbai, whereas its six zonal offices in Delhi, Bhopal, Bangalore, Kolkata, Mumbai, and Guwahati. Other than its zonal offices, it has offices in 28 states for the implementation of its various programs. Here is the summary of second chapter. We studied about opportunity, type of situational factors, emergence of opportunity, opportunity identification, observing changes in environment, recognize needs, wants, problems and find solution, ability to search and discover business opportunity, criteria for evaluation and selection, how to make market survey, in part 1 reaching the right market, part 2 getting the best result, part 3 carrying out your survey, and last MCED, NI, MSME, PMEGP, DI and KVIC. Thank you.